Why you need a social media marketing strategy. It is not enough to simply be on social media. You need to be able to use it effectively in order to further your brand. In essence, social media marketing is a way to help you plan your goals, prepare your content, and make your life easier. In today's society, when every man and their dog, literally, are on social media, it has become more important than ever to stand out. There is an abundance of accounts, brands, and businesses online, and you'll need an effective marketing strategy in order to stand out from them. Above all, however, social media marketing is the best way to improve your brand awareness. It will then lead to things such as brand recognition and brand loyalty. But first, before you can achieve them, you need to stop what brand awareness people need to know that you exist. This is why, to begin with, social media marketing is a fantastic way of planning your business. It will help you outline exactly what you want from your accounts, exactly what content you will create, how your audience will see you, and the goals you have for your productive growth. By taking elements of traditional marketing and implementing them in a modern and a relevant way online and on social media, you'll be able to get ahead of the trends. Once you've planned and outlined your goals, social media marketing is the tool that you will use to reach them. Making sales, getting click-throughs, or whatever your goal is are all tangible outcomes of social media marketing. They are things that you can measure and see if your marketing is working, or if it is not connecting with your audience effectively. It shows your value as a brand. It is a quantitative result of how valuable your brand is. Checking your analytics will also help you gauge how satisfied your customers and your audience is with your content. If they are interacting, if they are following through, and if they are continuing to engage in your content, by analyzing your data, you'll be able to tell. It is an easy method to know whether your content is resonating with your audience. Regular updating of your social media marketing strategy will allow you to continue to make strides towards your goals. In conclusion, social media marketing is the be-all and end-all of the success of businesses in the 21st century. Without a good quality social media marketing strategy, your brand will not have success.